What up, lads? Let's make some arepas. Woohoo! For making arepas, this is the flour we need, okay? Which is pre-cooked corn flour, all right? This is not cornstarch. So when you want to do arepas, look for these special, let's call it special flours for arepas. If you get another one, it won't work, okay? It's really easy because this you can keep at home, and then we just use it. It has here in the package how to do it. So it's basically 1 cup of the flour, 1.5 cups, a little bit more of warm water, and that's it. You need to knead a little bit, and then the mixture, the dough is done. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. We're gonna do this together, and I'm gonna make as well a salad because I want to stuff mine with salad. You can stuff with anything else you want. So I'm gonna grill this mushroom, and I'm gonna do a mushroom salad with avocado, tomato, lime, shallot, green chili, fresh coriander, red pepper, cumin, and cayenne pepper. So let's start by the salad, right? Actually, no. Let's start by the arepas dough. So we let it rest a little bit. So meanwhile we're just resting this dough, we're gonna prep the salad. So let's start by the dough. I'm gonna open this flour first. Gonna measure here 1 cup. Inside the bowl. Then I have here some warm water. We're gonna use the same amount. I think it's too hot. There it is. It's too hot. So what I do, needs to be warm water, not boiling water. A little bit of cold water inside. Yeah, if you can stick your finger in and not get burned because it's warm, it's okay. Then I'm gonna add a dash of olive oil for extra taste, a little bit of salt, gonna add the water, and then you can use your hands. You just mix everything together. No joke, guys, this is how easy it is. See? I just need to mix a little bit better. But you see how it just starts to get all together. See? Now we're gonna let this rest. Let's start prepping our veggies. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prep this mushroom here because I wanna make like a nice steak in the middle of my arepa. So I wanna get a nice chunk of it. These are gonna use for the salad. And then we do some cuts on the mushroom so we get nice marks when we grill it. I am not going all the way through, okay? So just a tiny bit here on the top, that's the maximum, just to get the marks done. Then we're gonna turn it so we have like small squares on it. This gives it a nice look. See? Then we do the tomatoes. So far, mushrooms and tomatoes. I'm gonna go for 1 shallot. Inside the bowl. Then I'm gonna get a red pepper. I'm gonna use half of it. Cut here, take out the white part. Then we cut in julienne. And we dice it. Into the bowl. And I add as well green chili. So I make sure I want to take out the seeds because I don't want it to be too spicy. So we cut in half. And then we take out the seeds. So now we're gonna slice it and after dice it. The thinnest you can do it, okay? Put it together, dice. This goes inside the bowl as well. Now we can chop some fresh coriander to go inside as well. So chop. This goes inside the bowl. We're almost there. So I'm gonna squeeze 1 lime inside now. Gonna add a little bit of cumin. Cayenne pepper is not that spicy. Give a mix. For last ingredient, we're gonna add 1 avocado. Cut in half. Twist it. Take out the core. Then we dice it. Use a spoon to take everything out. There you go, dice the avocado inside. Now we're gonna keep our sauce on the side. We're gonna grill this baby first, and after we go for the arepas. Look how the dough is now. Huh? It's beautiful. So let's grill this baby and keep on going. This side of the mushroom bowl goes first, like that. So we get a nice color. Ha ha ha, we're getting there. Back to the dough. Our mushroom is there. They're grilling. We're making this arepa very beautiful. Make as flat as you can, no? 1 finger thick. Thick's good. So this is ready to be grilled as well. See? So this goes in here. Let's check on our mushroom. Yeah, baby. So this is what we want. So let's check now, guys. Okay, so that's what we want. See? Dry, some color. So now we flip it. Let it grill the other side as well. Guys, if you have any leftover dough, which is completely normal, so I just made a bowl here and get a cling film and wrap this bowl and you keep in the fridge and you can use in the next day or the day, 2 days, 3 days. Just keep in the fridge.
Ah, don't need to put in a cling film.
Yeah, because if you put inside a pot, the contact with air will dry too much this. That's what you don't want. So just wrap it like that in the cling film. Keep it in the fridge and use it. So my arepa is ready here, guys. It's still very hot. See what the color we want. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna open half, put a little bit of the salad, mushroom, and then we can eat this baby. So we're gonna put here the base. Then we come with some salsa. Beautiful mushroom. And the topping here. Moment of truth, lads. Here it is. My arepa sandwich with avocado and mushroom salsa. Let's do this. Lovely dish. Fresh, tasty. Do it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.